guys, so welcome back to the channel. So as you've seen in the previous video, I've now got Grant's Mk2 Escort back. He's applied the stickers, so now we're going to go into, he's asked me to ceramic coat it, so I'm going to get it all cleaned up now and just go over it with the machine again, just refinish it, and then apply some ceramic coating from Gtechniq. We're going to go for the C1 and EXO V4. So yeah, let's get cracking with that. How it sits. Quite a lot of rubber down there. Just needs a general tidy up, and we'll get it back in the unit. So, I'm gonna get it on it now. Get it sorted. Right then guys, so as you just seen then, I've just washed and cleaned down the Escort, got rid of all the rubber that was there. Just a nice, soft, safe wash process, clean, using 2 bucket method, microfiber wash mitt, air drying along with the Car Pro big fluffy green microfiber towel you saw. I think they class it as their water magnet, I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's a brilliant towel. But yeah, for tonight, that was all I was going to get done today. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you now. It's getting a little bit damp and cold now, hence the reason for the rear window. Yeah, she's all nice and tidied up now. All the rubber's been removed. Yeah, she's all back to how she should be looking. Grant was enjoying her too much, but that's to be expected. That's what they're for. So now he's done his stickers. He's asked me to ceramic coat it. So as I said previously, I'm going with the Gtechniq C1 ceramic coating with EXO V4. But before all that, I'm just gonna clean it all down. Obviously done that. Dry it, carry on drying a few more areas off, and then I'll panel white. Take a few inspections of the paintwork because the car's been since I've done it. So Grant supplied his stickers. It's gone to various garages for bits and pieces to be done. So yeah, so obviously once I've done the inspection, I'm just gonna then just refine it, some like really fine compound and pads, just to just take out any marring or anything that's happened to it since it's been with me, because all I had put on it before was just a wax, so it's not got really that much protection. So yeah, we're just going to lock it in now after all those many hours and days of detailing the paintwork. So, but yeah, if I just show you what I've been using to clean, because I know a few of you have asked me to detail what stuff I use. So for this video, or for the Escort, should I say, I've used the Car Carer shampoo from Keith down there. Really great shampoo, very suddy. Use the Gtechniq wash mitt, which is there. Obviously 2 buckets with grit guards. Need to be cleaned out now. Also got my Master Blaster sidekick for air drying. It's just a bit easier being so small. Auto wheel by Built Hamber for the wheels. And Built Hamber's auto foam for the pre-wash. I think that's pretty much it. To mention this is the Car Pro. I think they class it as their water magnet, or I'm not too sure what their name is for it, to be honest with you. It's massive. It's a big old towel, soaks up so much water. So in conjunction with the air dryer there, great little combination to get the car dry very quickly. And then you've got the smaller towel as well. So I thought I'd just mention that. Can't get all that out at the moment. It's got some bits in the way. On the wheels, I've used just a mixture of really soft wash mitts, along with wheel woolies for the backs of the wheel barrels to get in behind the spokes and into the inner wheel. So yeah, I've got those as well. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything in today's video. I'll document another video, maybe another 1 or 2, just documenting and getting this Escort finished. So yeah, so that's it for today. And thanks again, thanks for the likes and the comments. Again, look down on my social medias, they're in the description. And for anything else, just give me a shout. So cheers, thank you.